Relationship manager in a bank. A relationship manager is a professional who focuses on building and maintaining strong, positive relationships with clients, customers, or stakeholders of a company. Their primary goal is to ensure customer satisfaction and retention, often acting as a liaison between the company and its clients. They work to understand client needs, address concerns, and identify opportunities for growth and improvement. Key responsibilities of a relationship manager: building and maintaining relationships. Relationship managers cultivate strong connections with clients through regular communication, personalized service, and proactive engagement. Understanding client needs. They actively listen to clients, analyze their requirements, and identify opportunities to provide support and solutions. They address client inquiries, resolve issues, and offer guidance on products or services that meet their needs. Identifying growth opportunities. Relationship managers look for ways to expand business with existing clients or identify new opportunities through referrals or market analysis. Collaborating across departments. They work with sales, marketing, and customer service teams to ensure a cohesive and positive client experience. Monitoring client satisfaction. They track client feedback, analyze data, and identify trends to improve client relationships and overall satisfaction. Acting as a liaison. They serve as the primary point of contact for clients, representing the company and ensuring their needs are met. Types of relationship managers. Relationship managers can specialize in different areas, such as client relationship manager focuses on managing relationships with individual clients. Business relationship manager focuses on relationships with other businesses or organizations. Key account manager manage relationships with high value clients. Customer relationship manager focuses on managing relationships with customers. Skills and qualifications. Strong communication and interpersonal skills essential for building rapport and effectively communicating with clients. Problem solving and analytical skills needed to address client issues and identify solutions. Customer service experience valuable for understanding client needs and providing excellent support. Sales experience helpful for identifying growth opportunities and driving business. Product or service knowledge enables relationship managers to effectively advise clients. Data analysis skills helpful for identifying trends and improving client relationships. Bachelor's degree in business management or a related field often required for entry level positions. Thank you.